Hold it steady, Mom. We're going through. Thank you, Google, for the greatest roads ever.
You suck, Google.
Take this way. It's good.
Jesus.
All right, so we just went off of Google's maps. As you can see all the dirt over there for the last couple miles. Hit one of the bumps and look at that. Another stabilizer jack down in Florida.
Damn Google.
So, but that was the only problem. I don't see anything else until we get there. Yeah, the other one's perfectly fine. So.
Sand road, dirt road. Can't believe it. All right, we'll make our way to Jacksonville. Google, you suck.
All right, so this quick change. The bolts I use actually just use 15 millimeters. Same with that. This is the easiest way to take it off, especially if it's already destroyed. It just takes a little bit of time. I believe these bolts were 17 millimeter to hold in there, so not a big thing to do, but make sure you have tools with you just in case the road takes your stabilizer.
For the fourth time.
This is our fourth stabilizer that we've switched out. We've changed out the last two separately.
I said to myself, you cannot wait and see. I didn't know she already had a plan for us, but I will make her mine no matter what the cost. I kept it to myself, no need to straighten the lines, but now it's time to leave it all behind. She's out of her mind, but at least I let her be everything she ever needs to be. I might be
It's just as simple as that. You're done. I think it took us 20 minutes from start to finish to make sure we had all of our ducks in a row.
So what kind of jack is this?
It's an EAZ-Lift or EAZ-Lift. I think we got them on Amazon as a pair. So
What are they rated for, do you know?
these, well, they're just stabilizers. They say 7,500 pounds, but it's actually more like 5,000 pounds.
But it's better than what came on the trailer originally. They're more like robust. No?
No,
For that.
they're actually pretty good. They're good. They're better. The front ones are still the original ones that came on the trailer. These seem like they're built a little bit better, but and these will actually push up the trailer. We had to do a tire change one day, and this actually helped me get the trailer up higher, even though it wasn't supposed to lift the trailer. So.
Your ultimate goal is to get rid of these, right?
Oh, my ultimate goal is to get maybe the Lippert one button little quick lift where I can actually position them a little bit further back to where the majority of the movement actually happens. And then all I need is power to run back here and a little power switch, and I'd be good to go, but they're a little bit more pricey. So this is my last stabilizer that I change out in the back, because the next time I'm buying the stabilizers and actually putting those on. I mean, those aren't the ultimate thing, but they do. They close up a lot further than this, and I can move them over. And then this one happened. So, until next time, guys.